All right. If you've gotten this far, great job. Now it's time for some glory. We've added up or we've created these different lines, which are super cool. And now we are actually going to start creating the shape of our superclip. And before we do, we're going to delete a couple of these lines that we don't need anymore to kind of make things easier on us. So to delete lines, we're going to use our arrow tool, our pointer. And we're going to click on, let's see, this line. And we're going to hit backspace. And this line right here and backspace. That one there and backspace. And now you're going to see that this is a little bit simpler. We're going to remove that one too. And now let's try pushing this one in. All right, let's get our push-pull tool here. You can see that the lines have cut up the face of our superclip into pieces. That's going to help us. We're going to click inside this circle and we're going to move it in all the way to the other side. Now it may be hard to see. Now you see that little message that says on face? That's what you want to see. You may have a hard time with that depending on the angle. Depending on the angle that you're looking at it. If you're looking at it straight on like this, it's really hard to get. And if you're looking at it at too extreme an angle like this, it's also hard to see. It needs to be kind of like this. So if you need to, you might need to reposition your angle a little bit. And you want to click on the bottom area here and then go in until you see that on face and click. Now it's funny, it didn't disappear, but I'm just going to delete this line here and see what happens. I'm going to delete the face. Oh, it looks like I might have pushed it a little too far. Let's see what happened. Oh, weird. It doesn't seem like it went all the way through. Let's try pushing it again. Oh, interesting. I'm going to undo my last because that's not how it should be. Let me see. Did I come through? Oh, I didn't quite come through. Or maybe I did. If I delete this, it still didn't quite work. Let's go back. If you have a problem where yours doesn't come through, the best bet is to just undo and try it again. Instead of trying to fix it, the best bet is to just undo and try again. And now my angle's not quite right. So let's orbit a little bit more until we get just the right angle. And zoom in maybe, that might help too. On face. It didn't delete again. I'm not sure why. I think I just deleted the whole back side. I sure did. That's funny. Maybe it's because I took this line out. Let's see what happens if I put this line back. All the way back to there. Oh, there it goes. So I just needed to fix that. And you might need to fix that too. See how it goes for you. But now I'm just going to go ahead and push this one in too. All the way back to on face. And it's doing the same thing for me again. Backspace. Backspace. Yep, that looks good. Let's look at the other side. Oh, now it's starting to look pretty cool. It's starting to look like a real superclip here. I want to delete that little bit right there because I want it to look perfect. And last thing we're going to do is repeat the same step here in the front with the push-pull. Now this one is in two pieces, but seems to be working just fine. Yeah, very nice. There you go. There's our super clip. And I think I'm actually going to delete this guideline here because I don't need it anymore. And this one too. And there you have it. Save your work when you've gotten this far and move on to the next video.